after a long day, I finally got one more car part for this car. Remember, this car will still keep going. I'm not giving up on this. And let's open it up and see what it is. I literally have no idea how to open this. Oh, I didn't even expect that. I was playing around. How about a hammer? Oh! There we go. Aha! No! I only peeled a layer off. How do I open this?
You dumbass.
Bro, I don't know how to open this.
Dude, look, you see this little thing? You have to pry it open, like this.
Watch out with your eyes.
Step on that side. Ah! It's not doing anything.
It's like a seesaw.
Should I jump on it?
Dude, I don't know how to open this. Come on, big boy, strong muscles.
I'm gonna break the hammer. I'm literally gonna break the hammer.
Yo! Chill! Ah! Us being hooligans, we're still not able to open this. See this right here? That was what exactly I was looking for. Wear safety glasses. I'm not wearing any because I don't know. I lost mine. Watch out for the nails. Okay, how can I do this while stabbing myself? Woo! Oh wow, I can't wait to open this! Let's see what it says. I only got a single-sided because double-sided was gonna be too expensive and I didn't feel like spending $2,000+ on it. But it's for the Audi A4 B8.5 carbon fiber hood and with a little surprise. Wow, that is light! Alright, turn off your clutch clamps. Nobody wants to hear that. Okay. Screw it. Let's open it like this. Ow, come on. Look at this. How do I get rid of that? Man, that looks so beautiful.
Holy shit.
Check that out. So let's show you guys up close what I'm looking at. Look at this beautiful, polished, shiny, beautiful, limited edition carbon fiber hood by Revo Sport. Now, they make this for the Audi A3, but they had a limited edition for the Audi A4's B8.5, as well as, I will heal you. No! Bro! Woo! So we have here the vent, just a cool vent that doesn't really do anything. Just adds water to the engine when it rains. And you got this nice curves right here. I want to look under it. You want to help me out, bro? Pick it up for a second. So this is the bottom of the hood. I wish I got it in fully carbon fiber. Unfortunately, the fully carbon fiber was $2,300. I paid what, $1,600 for this, I think, but it's pretty light. Okay, so now my brother and I have flipped it carefully, and I noticed a couple of things on its back side. For starters, when I saw this, I was a bit disappointed. I thought I got a flawless hood. There is a bit of damage right there. And there's already a scratch there, and even, I don't understand why they had to use black highlighter to cover the damages. Like, that's pretty messed up. You just highlight it in black. It's pretty visible, and that looks terrible. And, I don't know what that is. It's a bad scratch. And here's another scratch. And then here's another one. I mean, it's not a big of a deal, but the fact that they tried to cover it and they sent me a defective hood, I'm pretty pissed off about that. Like, that's really OCD annoying me. You see, like, it's a little bit indented right there. Yo. Dude, this dog is crazy. Okay, so now let's go and show you guys the 2014 Audi A4 ECU. What the? Oh, that is nasty. The ECU that just came in a couple days ago, if I could find it. Yeah. No, I lost it. Wow, okay. Oh, it's right there. So this is an idea of what my car's gonna look like when it's done. This is so gnarly. I can't wait to get her back on the road. What a crazy, headachy build. And here's the engine. Whoop! The broken one. And the new one will be installed pretty soon. I cannot wait. And that is the transmission. Dual clutch automatic. Let's talk about the ECUs. This one's a stock one, my 2013 Audi A4. And this one's a stock one that comes in the 2013 to 2016 Audi A4s with the Generation 3 engines. Now, here's the difference. MED 17, and this is the CMOS 18 ECU. There's the difference, side by side. I don't know if the ECU will work. I already have a Cybex tuner who's willing to do this. But for the transmission, it might be a bit different. I may need to go for a 6-speed manual. Hopefully I won't have to do that, because I did speak to another company in Virginia who told me, get your car running with the engine first. Even though if your car won't drive with that transmission, we can and will try to figure something out with you. So I have to go to probably California and then Virginia towing this car. I'm not giving up on here. I'm not giving up. It will get a DSG no matter how hard it takes. I may need to convert to 6-speed manual from a 2018 A4, which I don't mind, as long as I eventually switch out of the 6-speed manual to the DSG. The reason why I want a DSG is because I want the DSG. I want that extra, like, it's I just want DSG. I just want DSG. This is the engine harness for the same car that belongs to this ECU. And look at that, it fits perfectly, snug and tight. Now, let's remove this one. Oh boy. Aha. This one fits in there too. I don't want to lock that in place because taking it out is a pain in the ass. See, like, oh boy. And I'd like to show you the stickers, but I don't want to show you the stickers because I don't want to give away anything about this build yet. Last but not least, I did buy a really cool car-related topic thing. It's in this box. I will show you what that is in the next video. I'll give you a little hint. Look at that red Audi R8 right there. That's the only hint I'll give you, and that will be the next YouTube video. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please stay tuned for more future videos later on. Subscribe, like this video, share this channel, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next one. And let's get my 500 horsepower Audi A4 running with 500 horsepower. See you in the next video. Peace out. So this is